That's good. All right, friends, for dinner tonight, we are smoking some chicken legs. Let me show you what I got. All right, so here I have a whole bunch of homegrown chickens, raised them and processed ourselves. We are gonna put some Lori seasoned salt and Tapatio all over your chicken, mix it really well, and we're gonna go put it on the smoker. All right, so I am preheating my smoker to 300 degrees. I've got it on the highest smoke possible. That's why there's all kinds of smoke coming out right now. We are gonna go ahead and just start laying on our chicken. All right, we're gonna let these go for about 30 minutes and we'll come through and flip them. All right, so it's been about 30 minutes. Look at that. All right, so I am gonna go in. This is some barbecue sauce that I made. I went ahead and did some barbecue for me. I'm not too big on the spicy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and top this. And then we are gonna flip them. All right, so now we can go ahead and flip them. Look at that. Oh, it looks so good. And I'm gonna go back in with some more sauce. All right, now we're gonna do the same thing with our Tapatio chicken. I got some extra Tapatio. We're gonna go ahead and coat those and then get them flipped. Last layer of Tapatio on top. All right, we're gonna close this up for another 30 minutes. All right, friends, so while we are waiting, we are gonna make some French fries to go with our chicken. Nicely that cuts them up. I love this little gadget. So then I've got my oil all heated up. We're gonna go ahead and just start dropping in our fries. And I'm doing 2 potatoes at a time. That way I don't overcrowd it. Gonna give them a quick stir just to mix them all up, make sure they're well coated in the oil and not clumped together. And we're gonna let these go ahead and cook down. All right, our French fries are all done. Look at, they're nice and golden. We're gonna go ahead and pull them out. All right, we're gonna go with some salt. Give this a nice shake. And just a little bit more salt. And there we go. All right, friends, our chicken should be done. We're gonna go ahead and test it just to make sure. That one looks good. That one also looks good. All right. Go ahead and pull these babies off. Look at how fantastic these look. All right, so this bigger one, this is my Tapatio. Now let's go in and get our barbecue. Look at these. I'm a thigh person. I prefer thighs. So I always cook these for me, and then everybody else, they don't care either way. They all like legs. so I always do a bunch of legs. All right, let's get these inside. We've got dinner. All right, so let's go in and plate this up. Get me a thigh over here and some French fries. Now let's give this a try. All right, friends, so here's our chicken and our French fries. This is the barbecue chicken because I can't do spicy. So we're gonna give that a try, but let's try these French fries out. Way better. Homemade versus store-bought. Hear that crunch? That's what you want. All right, let's get into this chicken. And it's gonna be hot, hot, hot. You can see the steam, but look at that. It smells amazing. Cooked perfectly. Oh man. Nice and tender, nice and juicy. I don't think you can do this on a smoker, but you can. You gotta try this, friends. This is a 10 out of 10. Now I'm gonna get the kids in here so that they can get their plates and they can start eating too. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this recipe today. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well and have a blessed day.